Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'll be talking about this rosemary oil from the brand Indus Valley. This one is bio organic rosemary oil. It's 100% natural. This oil you can also use it on face, body, means you can use multi-purpose. But today I'll be only talking about on hair. This oil will not only stop your hair fall but it will also control premature graying, stimulate hair growth, soothe dry and itchy scalp, nourishes hair tresses, and it will also control dandruff. It will nourish hair by promoting blood flow to the scalp and make your hair thick and long and strong. They also claim it's good for stress relief also. My personal experience, like last Jan I was going through excessive severe hair fall, and then I tried everything. I tried every oil, nothing was working for me. Then I thought of giving a chance to this rosemary oil, and trust me, like I did this trick before shower, before my hair wash. I used to make it warm castor oil, coconut oil, and then I used to put few drop, like 4 to 5 drop of this rosemary oil, and trust me, I think within my second wash my hair fall was completely gone. You'll not believe me, but it worked. As I said, nothing was working out for me. The only trick I did was like 1 hour oil before my hair wash. That's it. If you want, you can keep for 2 hours, but do not keep overnight. 6 months of using this oil has really made my hair thick. Hair fall has stopped, given nice volume to my hair. So yeah, this one really works. You can also give it a try. That's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do share your comment below if you also see the result.